12 years ago, we looked at what a peer-to-peer sharing looks like, and there's not a single company in the world that was actually thinking that way. And we said there might be an opportunity for us to create a technological innovation specifically on how to assist peer-to-peer, where they want to share information, they want to share assets, they want to share, a level of transparency of what's available within their own inventory or supply chain. And now we've seen an opportunity of rolling this out on a global basis to make an impact within the world of PPE as a health asset. That type of asset, in this case health assets, is important. And from a national security perspective, as you can imagine, the Government of Canada has also said that they don't want to be blindsided ever again, and we believe that we have the right technology to support. The concept is called Network of Networks. Each hospital already knows what it actually has. There's no extra work there for you to do because the information is already in place. You already have the SKU numbers, you already have access to the product information. It's already stored in a closed database. All you need to do is bring that data in the same format that it is already in place into our network, and our network basically creates the catalog of available assets within the network. So we're talking about, the process of potentially 10 to 15 steps of figuring out what's available, down to only 3 steps to allow identify availability, book the information, and then transfer it. The speed to acquiring assets becomes a matter of hours rather than days or weeks for supply to actually be shipped, because if it's sitting in a warehouse, somebody could actually, get it on a truck and deliver it. One big area that we're talking about a lot now in government is EDI, exclusivity, diversity, and inclusion, and we're looking at that as well at the supply chain. Local vendors are not getting access to procurement, and this is a network that actually allows the smaller vendors to participate in major contracts. So I think there's a lot of opportunity locally to support that concept, potentially save lives and get these type of products in the right hands at the right time.